Hi, my name is Mark. I'd like to show you around our new shape Ford Transit T350 L2 tipper truck. This is a 2014 model. It's had one owner from new, comes with full service history and a spare key. As you can see, you can purchase this truck for as little as £80 per week. As I show you into the front cab area, you can see it's been kept clean and tidy by the previous owner. There's no signs of any rips or tears in the seats. This tipper truck benefits from having a rear tow ball and hitch. Let's take a look inside the engine bay of our new shape Ford Transit tipper truck. As we take a good look down inside the engine bay, you can see it's a clean and tidy engine. There's certainly no signs of any oil leaks. I've had a good look round and you see it's been fully maintained and the levels are at the correct marks where they need to be. Okay, so this is now the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our new shape Ford Transit single cab tipper truck. We're going to be demonstrating for you the gears, the steering and the brakes. But first I need to be getting the engine started up. There we go. As you can see, it started up straight away. There's no dashboard warning lights on and there's certainly no unusual noises coming from the engine. Part of the video appraisal and the road test is to get up to 60 miles an hour, so I can demonstrate for you as well the gears, the steering and the brakes. As you can see, I'm going through the lovely 6-speed gearbox very nicely. It's got a great drive position, as they do come with. We've also got electric windows, got an MP3 player with steering wheel controls. So there we go. Hands off the steering wheel, as you can see it's driving in a straight line. Give the steering wheel a shake, really nice and positive. And now on approach a roundabout, I'm going to be testing out and demonstrating the brakes for you. So now braking, so hands on the steering, as you can see there's no juggling and there's no pulling. And that's the final part of the video appraisal and the road test of our new shape Ford Transit tipper truck. Thank you very much for watching this video.